Good morning. I could get used to this. I hopped out the tent straight into the water this morning. Now I've got to be a little bit quick because I want to be on a boat at 10:30. So it's unusual for me to be rushing these days. It's not looking very promising for my boat trip. This boat has just departed full of men in activewear heading to the monasteries. And then these are the tourist boats, empty. These are the kiosks to sell me a ticket, empty. So I'm going to sit and have some breakfast and see if anybody shows up. It's 10:30 and I'm not on a boat. Time to see what else there is in Unwilling. Not much is the short answer. Lots of souvenir shops of the religious icon variety. In my determination not to backtrack, I'm climbing a 10% dirt road gradient across the Athos peninsula. But views are nice and it's brought me to this closed church. Sesame baklava, the last of my treats from my host in Ceres, and I think it is the tastiest baklava I've ever had. The Athos border is only about a kilometre away, so it's probably this ridgeline here, and beyond that, no women and only Greek Orthodox men are allowed to go. Maps me, I know, sent me up another 100-metre climb of a dirt road, which does not connect to the road at the top. It stops in a fence and there's a house and they said there's no way through. So I have to go down and climb a different 100 metres. Oh. It was just hot and I was tired and in need of lunch, but unfortunately for me, that lunch was at the supermarket on the other side of the hill. I don't know if you can see this gradient, but it's bonkers. I can't cycle it. I'm pushing. I'm back to pushing. At the top finally, and there is Mount Athos underneath the cloud. That concludes my not boat tour of Athos. And the monks can keep it. It's too steep for me. And now I have to come a bit inland on my way around to the middle finger of Chalkidiki, Sithonia I think it is. So a bit of a climb or two and then hopefully find a nice little beach camp. It's not the greatest beach of all time, but that is Mount Athos, which is a pretty good view. And it's 8 PM and I'm knackered. I've rejected 2 other beaches, so third time lucky on this one, I hope.